So here's the problem. ChatGPT is making us dumber because it makes us think that we are learning when in actual fact we are not. You see, here's how many students, including myself, use ChatGPT. We screenshot a question that we have, upload it, and then get a whole spaghetti chunk of text back. Sure, the answer is right there, but let's be honest. Number one, it's just too tempting for us to just copy the entire thing wholesale. And number two, even if we do try to read and digest, it's just too wordy. I honestly hate it so much. And number three, I just feel like it doesn't really actually teach me the logic, especially for like calculation questions. And number four, lastly, I don't know about you, but I hate prompting and trying to haggle with the AI chatbot, and that is really just not it. So for the past 2 months, I've embarked on a journey. In this journey, I've spoken to over 30 students, both peers from my university and also from my own students who I tutor. So today, I proudly present to you Mistako. Mistako breaks any STEM question down into actionable steps, and the next step doesn't appear until you solve the current one. So what I've done is that I've baked in all of these proven pedagogy that I've gotten my students A and into their dream courses into Mistako, so that every time you're stuck on a question, Mistako will guide you through by first teaching you the underlying principles, and then you'll be able to apply it immediately after by answering the questions and get feedback instantly. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the correct way to learn, where you build the answer together with AI rather than surrender your critical thinking and agency to AI. And the best part, it remembers which step you got wrong exactly. So you'll be able to just stop guessing your actual misconception, but know immediately that, okay, this step is why I keep getting this question type wrong. And what makes it even better is that instead of having to look through all your notes, files, tutorials, which are all over the place, you can save all of these past mistakes and questions in one place, which makes your life so much easier when you're revising for your tests or exams. And in our upcoming Insight feature, this is something I'm really proud of, the more questions you upload, the better Mistako learns where your weak areas are, and the more accurate it can advise you on the areas to prioritize. I'm also very excited to announce that we have recently crossed 88 students worldwide and over 20 questions solved. So I sincerely think that everyone will benefit from this anti-chatbot philosophy that Mistako embodies. It gets straight to the point, yet ensures that you truly learn and master what's truly at hand. So give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.